Hello everyone, it's BlueFusion here, and welcome back to the 5th episode of the WorldEdit tutorial series. This will be the last episode. I'm going to be talking about commands and stuff, so no longer will we just be doing random command stuff that has no applications whatsoever. In the next episode we're going to be doing cool things like building castles, building cool structures, and terraforming and things that actually make use of the WorldEdit things we've learned so far. However, in order to get into that, we have one last episode of theoretical knowledge that people need to know. So now let's get started. So the first command I'm going to be showing you is a really useful command. I use this a ton, and it is called the fix water command. Now, as you can see, this is a common problem with Minecraft, as we have a water thing, a whole pond of water that's all messed up, and it's really difficult to fix this normally. But luckily with WorldEdit, we have an easy way to fix this. So if we go over to the highest water block, so as you can see, this is the highest water block of elevation. If we do it when we're down here, it won't work the same way. So we need to be at the highest block of water elevation, and we type in the command /fix water, and then a radius. So the radius, again, is the way it goes in each direction. So if I do 15, it'll go 15 this direction, 15 this direction, 15 this direction. So that's what we're going to use. 15, it seems about right. If we use 15, as you can see, it fixes it perfectly. That's really useful for fixing those kind of problems. However, the fix water command is also useful for another thing. So if I go and execute this command, I've already preset it, so it does this. Now we have an empty pond. Say we just created this empty pond, and we want to fill it with water. Now, of course, you could try doing it you fill the whole thing in, which is relatively difficult. Or you can use the fix water command to its full advantage. So if we take one water bucket, and we place it at the highest level where we want the water. So this, for example, if we want the water to be at this level at top, then we can go into the water as we did previously and type the fix water command. And when we do this, as you can see, it does the entire pond, and it quote-unquote fixes the water, so it's all even. As you can see, it goes all the way down, and everything works perfectly. And that's the fix water command. And as you might assume, the fix lava command is the next one, and that does the same exact thing, except it works for lava. So if I do /fix lava, and then the radius, so for example, we'll do 15, it will fix all of the lava in a 15 block radius, creating this nice little lava pond in our kind of volcano thingy-majig, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that is how you use that command. So now, going on to the last few commands, the next command we'll be doing is /snow, and this command will overlay snow over an area. So for example, I have snow, I can just do it like that, and it would overlay it in that area. We could also add a parameter, so if I want to do snow, say 15, that will give me a radius of 15. As you can see, it's kind of edges of a circle. And this is an easy way to overlay snow in an area. So for example, if we do it over here again, it's nice and easy to overlay an area with snow. And of course, you could use the overlay command as I showed previously. However, this is just another way to do it. And similar to the snow command, you can use /thaw, and that will thaw out the snow. And again, for thaw, you can also specify a radius, and that will thaw in that radius. So that's that command. The last command I want to show you is one of the commands I like the most, and that is to set a biome. Now, these plots, if you're playing on the MegaCreative Server, these plots are all by default in a plains biome, as you can see right there in the F3 menu. However, some people don't like the green grass, the dark, or the kind of not very colorful, not very vibrant, that's the word I'm looking for, green grass. So in order to change it, we can actually change the biome. So if we select a region, then do /set biome, you can just hit enter and it shows you all the things you can do. So set biome, and then we're going to be specifying the biome command, or the biome name. So for example, we could do jungle, and that will give us that nice green grass. However, as you notice, nothing changes, and that's because you actually have to leave the loaded chunks before it works. So if we just fly out here, kind of leave this chunk area alone, we can fly out, make sure it unloads, and then just head back in, our biome should be updated. So let's see. And as you can see, it is, and now we have this beautiful green grass. And for example, if you wanted to, in your world, you wanted, say, ocelots to spawn, you could use this command to change it to jungle, and ocelots would spawn. You can use this also to change, say, you don't want snow to happen. You can change it to make snow not happen. So by changing it from an alpine biome to something else, you can stop it from snowing. And that brings to a close episode 5 of my WorldEdit tutorial series. Hope you guys have enjoyed, hope you guys have learned something, and make sure to go back through my tutorials if you haven't already, if you haven't watched 1 through 5. You'll need to know all that knowledge for the upcoming new set of tutorials that I'm going to be doing. The new set, again, I'm going to be trying to do some more practical uses, like building things, terraforming, and other cool things such as that. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys have learned something, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys later.